Digits on the beat.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the next episode of the restoration of this 1988 Mini City E. Yeah, just some questions, a little bit about me and some things that are coming up and bits like that. So yeah, we had a fire in the last episode which brought us down and slowed progress a bit. Look at what I've done. I just misplaced the earth, which is a mistake that everyone could make. So what we're going to do now is look at what I've done and try and replace it and sort it out. Other than that, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit it down below and let's get those likes and views coming. So yeah, get liking and get watching. Let's go. Right, so we'll start off at the back of the car. I fitted the boot lid and the boot lid lock, all on brand new hinges and things. Let me just close the tripod down a bit. Right, yeah, so we've done that. Walking around, just finishing off the wiring in that centre area. So that's why the tools. Put the back seat in, sound deadening's in as well. Oh, let me just turn this down a bit. Put the top dash rail in, but got to put these little vents here, so got to do that. Bought a brand new wiper stalk, put that in. Moving on to the engine bay. This was our issue down here, as you can see. Wait, if it's going to focus. Obviously not. Yeah, so we've got this earth here, and that needs to be bolted. I just left it like that, so we've got to sort it out. Finished off the wiring. Tidied up out there, and yes, tidied up this loom down here, as you can. Right, let's get a better bit of angle. As you can see, all that's all new and sorted. A couple of questions on the wiring. Got these two ends here, so if anyone knows what they are, please let me know. So we've got those. We've got this, which I think is for the wiper mode. Washer bottle, and then we've got this one down here, and also this one. We've got these two, so if anyone knows what on earth the wiring's for, that would be really appreciated. Yeah, so if you know what those bits are, put brand new hose, bottom hose down there, and put new hoses, new Fletcher hose here, and the two Fletchers here. Going to change this one around so it's not got all the burning on. New distributor, new coil, new starter motor, and I've just saving up for the bits for the clutch and that, which go down here. Missing the bolt for the brake limiter valve, but yeah, we'll sort that out at some point. Getting ready to put servo and all that back in there. Yeah, and we've also got these P700 Mark 1 lights, and we've fitted black bumper and black lock so far, so we are really cracking on. Are you watching and haven't liked yet or subscribed? Well, do it, come on, get down there and do it. Yeah, so I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Please just hit that like button, share it around, get the views going. I'm a bit motivated, as you might be able to tell. But yeah, thank you very much. Please let me know about the wiring, and please give me any tips or anything that anyone wants to know. And I got a bit more information, so I'll just put another clip after this. But see you later, and thank you very much for watching again. Cheers. Get liking, come on. Yeah, so just to add on to that outro video, the outro clip even I've just done, I just wanted to say I have wrote a list of parts and jobs to do, and it's 3 pages of A4, and I know everyone says, oh, it'll just get bigger, it won't get smaller and things like that. So I'm not asking, well, I'll lead you on to what's happened. I've bought tickets for Bristol next year in August for the 4-day event for the IMM 65 years of the Mini, I believe. Was it 60 year? 60 years, I think. 60 or 65 years of the Mini. So I've booked my car in on the reg number, and I've got tickets for 4 days, camping down there and everything. So at the moment I look at the list and I can't see it happening, and I'm motivated and everything, I just want to crack on, but I can't see it happening. So I'm looking at it now and thinking the GoFundMe goal is a bit short. I think it was 550 quid, and we're nearly there. So what I'm going to do tonight is I'm just going to boost it up a little bit to 600, 650, something like that. 625 actually. I'll put it on 625 quid. Because what I've got to buy is a headlining, which is 80 quid, which is what's stopping the interior to get on and that. Engine's nearly finished, but it's just little bits like bolts, nuts, things like that. So what I'm going to say is, like, any of you are watching these videos and want to see this car in Bristol, please, please, please go and check out my GoFundMe pages, at least. If you donate, that's absolutely amazing and brilliant. I can't thank you enough for that. I'm not asking you to do it, but I'm just asking you to go and check it out. And if you want to donate, then that'd be absolutely amazing. If you donate, I'll shout you out in the video, like the next video, and I will send you a Josh Smith sticker as a thank you, because I've got a few left and that. So that's what I'll do. If you donate money to me, I'll give you a sticker, and hopefully at the end of the restoration, or near the end, I'm going to do a giveaway of some detailed like graphics or banners or something like that for your workshop. So that's coming up as well. And yeah, if any of you don't want to donate money but maybe have like the clutch pipe that goes from the master cylinder to the hose, or you've got an earth or something like that, then please, please, please get in touch. I'd be more than happy to take it, and if you're local, I'll come and pick it up rather than you posting it. But yeah, I'm not asking for money and I'm not asking for parts, but if you are sat there now and want to help me get on with the build and really want to finish it, then please, please, please get in touch and let me know. I do appreciate everyone who's been watching so far, and I've got into more of the video in and things like that. So yeah, there's lots more to come. I know it's just been quite a short episode, and not a lot's really happened. I've just asked for help. Yeah, so I've asked for parts, money, and help for the wiring, but I haven't asked for money. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please check out the description for details about me. I'm going to do a next video. Well, hopefully the next one's going to be a Q&A. So if you have any questions, literally any questions at all, then please leave them in the comment section, and I will be answering every single question I get, no matter what it is. So if you've got one, put it in below, and then I will do a Q&A and a bit more about me and my story and things like that. So yeah, that's it from me. And yeah, if any of you got any idea about a slogan, like Dave Jaguar's something about keeping faith, Mini Dobby's something about stay safe, be lucky, or something like that. So if any of you got any ideas of something I could do, then please let me know as well. But yeah, I'll shut up now and end the video. So thank you very much, and I will see you very shortly. So cheers.